Welcome to Local TV. This is Slimmer. Local has been in sublimation printing market for more than 9 years now. We always try to bring something new, something interesting, and something popular into the market, like the linen material, plastic material. Both of them are quite sellable in the market. Today, I was excited to introduce you a new kind of material for sublimation. Which took us for more than 1 year to get it ready into the market, the natural wood board for sublimation. With fast developing of the whole society, people's life is changing every day. For example, smartphone. I think all of us understand how big our life had been changed for the past 5 to 10 years. But still, in the deeply of our hearts, we never forgot to try to be remembered, to be unforgettable, and to be as natural as possible. I think that's the reason why we develop such new material, enrich people's life as natural as possible. We could offer one-side printable or double-side printable for your choice. For one-side printable, we could offer coaster, placemat, and the photo panel. For double-side printable, we could offer it as ornaments or hanging sign, just like the samples which we made. Or in other size or designs upon your request. Now let's do the printing. Fix the paper to the board. Make sure it is in the middle. We will use 180 degrees, 60 seconds to print. Put it in. Cover the Teflon sheet. Close the handle. Time is counting down. Okay, the printing is done. As you can see, it appears with natural color. Have you ever been brought back to your old but unforgettable memories? It is really great product for coffee shop owners or bar owners to decorate their shops. And these items are widely used in our daily life. You can create your own style or make your home or office more artistic. I love it so much and I believe it's going to be hot selling items. For more products and services, just contact us. Thanks for watching.